Welcome to FinXo Capital Daily Financial News. Let's dive into today's market headlines. The dollar took a hit on Friday, while sterling surged to its highest level in over 2 years. This came after Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell signaled that a long-anticipated U.S. interest rate cut is likely next month. The weak dollar also saw the euro hitting a 13-month high, while the dollar marked a 17-day low against the yen. Traders are now betting on a 0.25 percentage point rate cut at the Fed's September meeting, with a growing expectation of a possible 50 basis point cut. In response to Powell's remarks, the dollar index, which measures the greenback against 6 major currencies, fell by 0.81% to 100.64. Steve Englander from Standard Chartered Bank noted that while the market's reaction was a bit of a weaker dollar and lower bond yields, the door remains open for a larger rate cut if the labor market continues to weaken. Monday saw an extension of the Powell rally in Asia, with yields and the dollar down and most stocks edging higher. The Nikkei was the major exception, disliking the yen's climb. Meanwhile, European markets are watching closely as Powell's comments have also affected global market sentiment. With the Fed potentially pivoting away from a restrictive interest rate policy, the market's focus is on growth and employment. In the cryptocurrency space, Bitcoin saw a modest gain of 0.4%, reaching $63,960. As global markets react to potential rate cuts, investors are keeping a close eye on how this might influence cryptocurrency prices in the coming weeks. Looking ahead, Nvidia's results are expected on Wednesday, with markets eyeing whether it can exceed the anticipated $28.8 billion in sales. With a market cap of nearly $3.2 trillion, any significant deviation could lead to major moves in the stock. Oil prices climbed 0.7% on Monday amid fears of possible supply disruptions due to escalating tensions between Israel and Hezbollah. Brent crude futures reached $79.55 a barrel, while U.S. crude was at $75.34 a barrel. On the gold front, prices held steady at $2,511.04 per ounce, buoyed by a weaker dollar and lower treasury yields. Analysts are watching closely as gold may surge towards $2,550 if resistance around $2,530 is cleared. That wraps up today's financial news. Thanks for tuning in to FinXo Capital Daily Financial News.